So you're on the fence of joining Luxury Lounge. You're here. I don't know how you got here through a YouTube video or whatever, but you're debating on joining. So let me help you out and try to give you even more behind the scenes of what we give. So as you can see here, this is the Discord. Here we have obviously our affiliate programs. You can sign up and get 30% recurring so we all can make money. We got Meta Chat and Meta Ads and TikTok Chat. So we do both, and we have both myself and mods who are done well over 5 figures for both Meta and TikTok. You got winning products. So basically here we have our winning products list for the whole community. And again, I've explained already on my YouTube how it's not a list with full of quantity. It's not 100 plus. It's not all garbage. It's literally like 20 a month basically. But you know, they're all killers. They're products that make you be like, oh fuck, I haven't seen these before. Or, oh, this is like very unique. And that you want the consumer to look at it like that as well. You got my current testing strategy. So this is live, updated live, even if I tweak it by the millisecond. Now we scroll down here, we got resources. So we got everything that we need. And again, keep in mind, we're updating it daily. We're adding daily. So this shit's going to even be stacked, for months to come. But we got basically everything you need to know, how to build websites, you got the podcast content for mindset. You got good YouTube videos for research, advertisement, and saucy tweets. And again, you're looking at this and be like, what is this? Bro, it's all here. I don't want to show too much. Those are just the YouTube videos that we recommend, but all PDF documents. Same thing goes for marketing. You got marketing documents, marketing videos. You got copywriting documents, copywriting videos, and even a Reddit community for copywriting that, not a lot of people know about. You got must follows. So people that that we filtered out and that are actually good. Okay. And again, this saves you thousands of dollars in courses. This saves you thousands of hours. And basically you don't have to go on social media. Everything is here for you. My team and I have filtered thousands of hours and thousands of dollars for you. And everything you need for 100K, 6 figures, even 7 figures is all here for you. And then obviously this is my favorite part. You got the general chat. Everyone's screwing around, to be honest. In general chat, everyone screws around. Everyone's just having fun, but very, very, very active. And you got people in here, helping each other out, right? Helping each other out, showing everyone their shit and just basically asking for fucking help. I've already explained in other videos about how it's not even the resources that I'm heavily pushing to. It's the community, the people in here. Everyone here, I know everybody. I actually know everybody. I'm not joking. I know fucking everybody. And it's not anyone random, and we're building a team. Secret society. That's the goal. That's the vision. And I'm just happy for you to join. Just try it out. Even if you want to try it out just for a month, try it out. I promise you, this is what I needed when I first started. A fucking team, a society. Everyone I see in here is family to me. And we all share. We don't gatekeep anything. I've literally have documents that are about to get fucking my shit banned. But everything is in here. Trust, loyalty are the 2 things. If you don't have any of those, don't join. I want those 2 traits and giving, because I have people that give for free. Everyone just provides so much value. Free, it's just insane. Anyways, if you follow those 2 criteria, loyalty and trust, and giving, providing value, you'll benefit from this. I promise you that, and you'll exponentially grow your business. See you on the inside.